from the office of the Vice
How many
President.
people?
And I presume if for each individuals,
So magkakaiba yung pangalan, Mr. Chair.
parang may magkakapare-pareho nga eh, Mr. Chair. Eh. Yeah, as I
So,
already shown.
Mr. Chair, I just posed that question so that in the next review of the Honorable Zia, maybe he can look into the 4,500 acknowledgement receipts. Kung ito ba ay 4,500 na tao o these are 4,500 acknowledgement receipts covering how many people? Yan lang po. Kasi para po medyo maliwanagan ako dun sa presentation. My next question, Mr. Chair, to our distinguished resource person from COA. She mentioned that she perused over these documents. So I'm not sure, Mr. Chair, if it's COA who can answer or somebody else from our resource person. Sino po, kasi acknowledgement receipt, ina-acknowledge mo na natanggap ka, sino po ang nagpapatanggap? Who releases
Attorney
the
Camora.
money?
Mr.